and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got another little unboxing. Now there is addresses on both the front and the back of this, which is why you're just seeing I did get a parcel, but this was a gift from a lovely subscriber. So let's pull out everything that's in there, because I've not looked, I've not nosed. Let's get the camera to focus. There we go, it's catching up. This subscriber has sent me a very pretty postcard from Cornwall, so I'll put that with all my other little bits. Okay, we've got nothing personal on here, so I hope you find this better to use and the diamonds come in handy. Thank you for all your lovely videos, I watched them all. Love, Debra. So thank you so much, Debra. This will go up on my, little special notes wall when my craft room's back in order. But I'll pop it safe for now on the only pegboard I have left. But what Debra has sent me, which is really, really sweet, is the sticker maker that I was gifted by another lovely subscriber. Comes with a permanent refill, and they did send me another permanent refill, but what Debra found was a repositionable refill. So I think I'm going to give this a go when my other one runs out, and see how this one is for being sticky enough to stay, but how much residue it leaves when it comes off. So yeah, thank you ever so much. Debra found this on, I think it's Craft Stash. I'm pretty sure it's Craft Stash. Let me just have a quick look, because I know it was discussed in the Facebook group very recently, so I should hopefully be able to find what happened. Okay, I say that because I'm thinking, oh, it was quite recent. No, okay, Craft Stash. It is Craft Stash. It was quite a recent post, so of course when I get tagged in it, it's in my recents. So yeah, Craft Stash, they have been in and out of stock, but anybody in the UK who's looking for a Xyron sticker maker, I think they're purple in the UK, whereas mine is red or pink. But look out for any colour. It's the mini Xyron sticker maker if you want one. I found it absolutely fantastic. So thank you so much for that, Debra. And then we do have a few colours for my Heaven and Earth designs. Beautifully packaged, I must say. So we've got some 300, 400, which I know there's a lot of 400 in this painting, and 780, which is fantastic. So thank you so much, Debra, for these goodies. I know I messaged you quite a while ago to say they'd arrived, but I couldn't get in my craft room due to the building works. And then of course I had to get in and sort of straighten up to an extent that I can get to my desk that doesn't go much past what you can see. There's probably an inch or two past what you can see, and that is my workspace. But I've just managed to get some filming done today. So thank you so much, Debra. Thank you to everybody for watching. Give this video a like to thank Debra as well for these gorgeous goodies. And I will speak to you all again very soon.